Oh, that's a deer, I think. Nice. Oh, I love big deer. Antlers. Look at that. Oh, Copsy. Look at that big boy. Wow. That's one for the show. Look at that. Oh, man. Yeah. We made it. Holy moly. That's worth it. Look at that. Oh, hard white. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, Copsy. What a good find. Man. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. See. Oh man. Nice tips. Too bad I didn't see it last year, but look how pretty. That is a big, nice thick antler. Look at that. Just waiting here for me. Said, Roy, come get me. There we go. I'll hold it for a minute. Too big for you.